Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and today I'm going to show you the ofrenda that I made for Dia de los Muertos. I put a lot of thought and intention into this year's altar because not only did my mom pass away this year, but two very dear friends of mine. So I am going with 3 layers. The bottom represents the underworld, the middle represents earth, and the top layer represents the sky. A papel picado banner is essential because the way that the wind blows the tissue represents how delicate life is. You'll also see monarch butterflies for Day of the Dead. These represent souls that are flying around us. Marigold flowers are essential because the scent of them will help guide the spirits to your ofrenda to home. You can make these out of tissue flowers or you could buy them fresh. Pan de Muerto is a sweet bread that you put out as an offering, as well as a glass of water because the spirits will be thirsty after making that long journey. On the night of Day of the Dead, you want to burn some copal to chase away any negative energy and put out some salt to protect the spirits from any earthly temptations. The top of your ofrenda is where you place the pictures of your loved ones along with some of their favorite mementos. You definitely want to have candles. Now, I've heard different versions about the candles. I heard you should put 4 candles to represent the 4 directions to help guide the spirits, but I also heard that you put a candle for each picture that you put up to represent that soul. Definitely do not leave the candles burning. Only use them when you are at the ofrenda. And the same goes with the water and the food. I put these up so that you could see it, but I'm going to take them down and put them up actually on Day of the Dead. Sugar skulls, I still need to make those, decorate them with royal icing, but I wanted to give you an overview of how this is going. I hope you like it. And make sure to check out my site at craftychica.com. I have a lot of different tutorials that you can see. And thank you so much for watching this, and wishing you and yours all the best, sending you love and light. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon.